Organizing your systems. I was just looking out the window here in my Paris apartment and seeing the Tour Saint Jacques. It made me think about how much organization goes into building a structure like that and how our businesses really aren't that different. We have different organizational elements in different parts of our business, but it all is the same. We need to have folders, just like you have different areas for building supplies. You need to have naming structures. You need to have organizational protocols. You need to set permissions. Who has access to what, right? Are you using different platforms or organizational structures in different departments, right? It all is the same in life. In your world, in your personal life, organizing your life and what goes where and how your home is organized. So when you learn to organize your business systems, that's why my book is Up-Level Your Business, Up-Level Your Life, because of the fact that we often get good at organizing certain things and it rolls over into our personal lives. So let's back up for a second, talk about a couple of ways you need to think about organizing your business systems so that you can be organized, efficient, productive, all of those great things. So first and foremost, you need to make sure you have time to decide which departments or how the structure is in your business, because that's going to come into play with setting permissions. So we don't want everyone to have access to everything. That's how your intellectual property gets stolen. But you also don't want them to waste precious time reading through tons of stuff they don't need access to. So decide on the permissions, decide on the departments or the organizational structure. Those two become key. Next, the platform. How are you going to organize this? In an online platform, a Word document? That also puts restrictions on how you're going to be able to allow permissions. So these things, they come together, and that's what creates a very solid organizational system that works. We want something that functions well, something that's going to make it easier for you, your team, for everyone involved to find what they're looking for. So a little planning goes a long ways. If you need help, let us know.